Hello, class. Mr. Stone here. The lesson for this afternoon is multiplying monomials. Okay, so we look at this, and up there I put the exponent rules. Okay, and what these actually all fall under is product rule. See it right here, product rule. Because as you look at this product rule, now they show a to the x times a to the y. Okay, this could times. This is actually the same as below. So this could be written, right? A to the x, like this, times a to the y, like this. That's how it could be written. And what it shows is a to the x plus y. X plus y. So this is really just like what we have below here. Okay? Now, but of course on the times, on these ones, you got the 4s and the 5s, which we didn't have up here, okay? So, on times problems, we have to go 4 times 5, just like here, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So take that piece, and then we're back to the x's again, okay? So the x2 times x3 is x2 plus x3. So we go x to the 5th. And that's it. That's the answer. So let's square this off. And see, that was all there was to it. Now, let's go to the next one. So we go to the first part. We got a -2 times a -3. Okay? Now we know a negative times a negative is a positive. Okay? So this is going to be a 6. 3 times 2 is a 6. Now we got the a3 times the a to the 4th. So all we do is add them. So it's a to the 7th. And that's it. That's my answer. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we now have 2 variables instead of that, but we do it the same way. So we get x. Now this x is really x1. Okay, so we get x1 times x2. So we got 1 plus 2 is x3. Okay, that's a little trickier. Okay, so you got to remember the x is x1. Okay, it's always x1. You can put a 1 there and it doesn't change it. Okay, but we got that. Now we got y2 times y1, remember? So we got y to the 3rd. And that's it. So let's square this one off. And see, that's all there was to that. Okay, now let's go to the next one. This really has both tricks in it. Okay, we get 5 times 11 is 55. 55. Now we got a to the 1st, a1, remember you've got to write that. A to the 1st times a to the 3rd is 1 plus 3 is 4. So we get a to the 4th. Okay, seems easy. Now we got a b square times a b4, so we get 2 plus 4 is 6. So we get b to the 6th. B to the 6th. Let's square this off. And that was all there was to it. We whizzed right through these. Okay, but you see how that works? The key is, you got to just remember when you see x by itself, or y by itself, or a by itself, it's a to the 1st. That's where it's a little trickier. Okay, and then just remember, like on the number 2, the -2 times the -3, it's going to be a positive. Okay, so that's all there was to it. And like I said, I put the exponent rules up there so you can kind of familiarize yourself. The more times you look at them, they're going to sink into your head, and you're going to say, oh yeah, this is how to do it. This is how to do it. I remember seeing that rule. Okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. You have a great day now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.